Wow, come out after the wind last night. These were all scattered. Got my tomato plants. Hold on. Blew this all over the place. Oh, stop it. Top off that. What is holding you? Underneath there, that's what's holding it. Criminy. Some vicious wind last night. Blew the top off of this. I didn't lose anything. This off. Got another plant over here. Give you some sun. Hope didn't move the strawberries. Got these. At 1 o'clock this morning, I came out because the wind was just howling, trying to save my covers. I hope it didn't get my peppers. Messed up my tomatoes though. Come on. Hold on. Oh dear. Well, maybe they're safe. Or the tree, the nasty tree. Hang on. Oh. Blew this one all over the place. I guess I can say he's basically dead. Wow. Got them all. Well, I guess I can strip this out pretty soon. Get it cleaned up. Got it all. Mother Nature's not nice. Messing with my flowers. Don't like that. Alright, I don't want to go out here. I took the tarp down at 1 o'clock this morning because it was just banging and hammering all over the place. Brussels sprouts are standing. What do we got? Give them some sunlight. Take all the rocks off. I put rocks on everything. Oh, my sternum Still okay. Come on, get some sun. Ooh. Messed with my teepees. My squashes are okay. Ah, tomatoes seem to be okay. The pepper's okay. See if I can get down out of here now without hurting me. Well, they're still standing. Okay. Oh, here's a little one. Oh, he split. Darn. Well, that's a bummer. Well, they don't look too worse for wear. Cold weather's getting them though. If the weeds don't get them first. Ugh, I hate these binders. Not yet. Not yet. Got a nice one there. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know. He's still doing okay. Yeah, he's still doing okay. Him is. Oh, got a nice one there. Okay, Mother Nature will leave them alone. It would help, but she's just not really cooperating. Got another one down here with Mabel. I just found. Wish I could get them up higher, but they're not on a vine that I can. These two are doing pretty good. They'll just ripen before it really gets cold. Well, they don't look too bad. They're trying to grow. Oh, my sunflower got hit hard. But she's still doing. Maybe I'll get some seeds. Where did you go? There you are. Tomato plant. Cabbages. When the sternum's okay still. Alright guys. Not as bad as I was afraid it was going to be yet. But I have to figure out somehow to get that to stay. I really don't want to sow it, but I guess I might have to. So we'll find out. But you have a great Sunday. I'm going to go inside and pout that it didn't work. I don't know who tried to hack my account, but they really messed everything up. I hope they're proud of themselves. But you guys have a great day, okay? Talk to you later.